So this Euro Yen analysis for Wednesday the 19th of September. Now let's just have a look at the prices and where price may likely go. So previously we had here on the Euro Yen, we've had prices test the 30.94, brief pullback below the 30.60, didn't quite get down towards the 29.95. What we did instead see was a break above the 30.60 and also that 30.94. Brief pullback, didn't quite test that 30.60 from we didn't have the pullback all the way down towards that 30.60. Had this rally back above 30.94, tested 30.94, tested it again. We do appear to be breaking away from this 30.94. So 30.94 has now acted as a support, previously acted as resistance. Did see sales are meant to come back into the market from that level. Tested support, and we do appear to be breaking away from it here to the upside. So if we do see this continued bullish buy side momentum in alignment with the current trend, which is pretty clear, has been here to the upside. Looking for a test of 31.70, successful break from which you're looking for a move towards a 32.02. And if we do see sufficient volatility and momentum follow through here to the upside, the very next level of note is of course at 32.44 here on the euro against the yen. If however we do find major resistance either at the 31.70 or 32.02, possibly looking for a return back down towards that 30.94, and if there is sufficient volatility here to the downside to bring us beyond the 30.94. If we don't find support at that 30.94, the very next level of note would be a move down towards possibly that 30.60. Wouldn't anticipate price to move much beyond the 30.60 here to the downside. Don't anticipate 129.95 coming to focus here on the euro against the yen. What we'll do now is have a look here at the daily charts, see how prices are developing. So here on the euro yen, we have our lows, we've had this consolidation, strong bullish buy side momentum, had this pullback, posted somewhat higher relative lows. So we have a low, higher low. We've had this momentum break here to the upside. We were mentioning that this 200 period moving average from the daily chart, which previously acted as some resistance here on the euro against the yen. So we've broke above the 200 period average, couldn't quite hold above it, had a brief pullback, tested a support here at 30.94. We are seeing pretty strong bullish buy side momentum so far today here on the euro yen. So from a daily chart perspective, the very next level of note is at 32.02. Previous scenario we've encountered resistance before seeing this rather sharp pullback here on the euro against the yen. And if we do successfully navigate that 32.02 as well as the beyond that, looking for a move up towards that 33.45 here on the euro yen. And with that said, that pretty much wraps up the euro yen analysis. Thanks for watching.